I am back with a good camera. And if you haven't noticed, we're filming at 60 FPS. Not all videos will be filmed in 60 FPS, but some of them will. So, let's do some more test footage. Let's go in the garage. It's not too cold yet, which is nice. Allergies are suffering. I'm suffering from allergies, rather. I was going to do a video on this PS2 aftermarket power supply allegedly made by Hypro. They made the original ones as well as Delta Electronics, but I don't think Hypro really made it because it just seems really cheap. Bought it new off eBay a few years ago. It's got a date code of 04. And I bent one of the prongs and bent it back and it broke off. Why the heck did I do that? Well, the other one got bent. And if this was from 2004, it'd be a lot tougher. So there's that. It's going to put it back together, but that got messed up. Oh well. Here's the Canon Pixma. It works. I tested the scanner and it works. It only goes up to 600 DPI. Here's a Philco radio. There's a video on that did miserably because I don't do radio videos usually. Okay, let's go on the back patio. Actually, let's look at the dryer first. It's from the late 80s. 86 or 87. Can't remember which one's the year. It's not focusing very well. Here's that. Here's the moon. Ooh, nice pitch black on the phone screen. Can barely see anything. Here's the Halloween lights, incandescent. Even my mom likes the incandescent lights better, which is a surprise. I asked if she could see them flickering. The LED ones. Some people can. I can actually see them. I saw them in the corner of my eye. Here's my Razor scooter. Vacuum cleaner. Should really have this stuff in the garage, but who cares? 25-inch Magnavox TV from 92. Looks like the video quality is pretty good. So yeah, there's a test video. Gonna upload it straight to YouTube, unedited. The only edits are me pausing the video. Now I'm gonna stop the video. So more videos to come. Still have a lot of other videos recorded with the other phone camera. So you'll see that later whenever they come out.